Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we'll study a poem titled Where Do All the Teachers Go? This poem is written by Peter Dickson. Okay, so Peter Dickson is the poet of this poem. So as the title suggests, where do all the teachers go? So in this poem, the poet, when he was a child, he wants to figure out where his teachers are going, what they do in their life throughout the day, were they naughty like the children are, or were they quite serious in their life. So he just wants to figure out what is the lifestyle of a teacher. Fine, so let's start reading the poem. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? So in this paragraph, the poet wants to know that after 4 o'clock, as all the students used to go to their houses, where do his teachers go? Do they also go to houses, or what do they do? So the poet wants to know it. And then what does he do over there? What does he do after going to house? Do they wash their socks? Means do they also take off their clothes as students? When you go to home, you change your clothes, you put your shoes in a proper order, socks at a proper place, uniform at a proper place. So do all the teachers also do such things like students are doing? So he wants to know, as I am doing, my teacher is also doing the same thing. Next, do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Now, here the poet is saying, as after going home, you used to change your uniform, you used to wear your home dress. So the teachers are also wearing their home dress. Do they also wear lower t-shirts? They also wear home dress. And also they spend time in watching TV as you people used to do. So he wants to inquire that his teacher also wants to spend time in watching TV. And also that do they also pick their noses? You people have a very bad habit, and very often your parents and your mother, your teachers used to say don't pick your nose, don't put your finger in your nose. So he wants to know, does a teacher also do the same? तो वो यही जानना चाहता है यहाँ पे कि जिस तरह से मैं करता हूँ अपने लाइफ के अंदर, मैं घर जाता हूँ 4 बजे के बाद, मैं अपनी यूनिफॉर्म चेंज करता हूँ, मैं घर की ड्रेस पहनता हूँ, तो क्या मेरा टीचर भी यही सब चीज़ें करता है? वो सारी चीज़ें अपने टीचर के बारे में जानना चाहता है कि टीचर जो है वो अपने दिन भर में क्या करता है. नेक्स्ट, डू दे लिव विद अदर पीपल, हैव दे मम्स एंड डैड्स, एंड वर दे एवर चिल्ड्रन, एंड वर दे एवर बैड? Now, what does he want to know? That does a teacher live alone or he lives in a company of people? Okay, वो अकेले रहते हैं या उनके साथ और लोग भी रहते हैं? Have they mums and dads? Means जैसे मेरे मम्मी पापा हैं, क्या टीचर के भी मम्मी पापा हैं? And were they ever children? क्या वो कभी बच्चे थे? मेरे टीचर जो हैं वो क्या कभी बच्चे थे? और क्या वो भी शरारती बच्चे थे? Were they ever bad? Means क्या कभी वो भी शरारती बच्चे थे? क्या कभी वो भी शरारत करते थे? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now, what he wants to say that very often while writing, the poet used to commit mistake. There are lots of spelling errors. Similarly, he wants to know that was there any time when my teacher also used to commit a spelling mistake? Did they ever never spell right? कोई कभी ऐसा कोई समय था कि मेरा टीचर भी है जो गलती करता था, स्पेलिंग सही नहीं लिखता था. Did they ever make mistakes? क्या उन्होंने कभी कोई गलती की है? Were they punished in the corner? Now he wants to say that as whenever you used to do some naughtiness, you used to take chocolate from the fridge or without asking your parents. So mummy or papa used to say, have you done it? You should ask. They used to tell you so. And very often you get punished also for doing some mischievous activity. So the poet wants to know over here that was my teacher also punished for doing any of the mischievous activity? Did they ever lose their hymn book? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Now what does he wants to say in this paragraph? That as I used to lost my books, very often you used to leave your books in your class and next day you come and say ma'am hamari book yahi reh gayi thi. So he was saying that this is done with my teacher also, this happened with my teacher also. Does he or she also lose his or her book in the class, in the school? So he's saying, did they ever lose their hymn book? And did they ever leave their greens? Leave their greens means leave their green vegetable. As you people, many of you do not like to have green vegetable and you used to avoid it. So the poet wants to know that the same way as I leave my green vegetable, I do not like to have it, my teacher also leave the green vegetable. She or he doesn't like to have it. Did they scribble on the desktops? And as many of the students love to write on the desktops, on the tabletops, so does my teacher also like the same? She also write on the tabletop. Did they wear old dirty jeans? Okay, so by mistake or if you have a favorite jeans, and although it is dirty, but what you do, वही पहनना है मम्मा, वो मेरी फेवरेट है. मम्मी कहते नहीं वो गंदा है, कहते नहीं बट मैं वही पहनूंगा, मेरा वो फेवरेट है, आपने वॉश क्यों नहीं किया, वही पहनूंगा. So the poet wants to know that his teacher also wear the old dirty jeans as he used to do. I'll follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I'll put it in a poem that they can read to you. तो यहाँ पे पोएट क्या कह रहा है कि मैं आज एक टीचर का पीछा करूंगा, एक टीचर के फॉलो करूंगा और मैं देखूंगा कि वो क्या करते हैं और फिर जो भी वो करेंगे उन सारी बातों को मैं एक पोएम में लिख दूंगा ताकि वो जब आपको पढ़ के सुना सके बाद में जब ये पोएम मीन्स दिस इज अ वेरी थॉटफुल creativity of the poet that he assumed that when my poem will be published, it will be in your course book, then the teachers will read my poem to you. That once I thought about my teachers in this manner, that what they used to do, how is their lifestyle, what they do after going home, how many people are there in their homes, and what they are doing after going home. So all these things he has just put his curiosity in this poem. I hope you have understood this poem. Let's quickly revise it. What is the poet saying in the first paragraph? The poets want to know that what the teachers want to do, what the teachers do after going to home after 4 o'clock. What they do? Do they go to their houses? In the second paragraph, he wants to inquire: do they wear their pajamas? That is, do they wear their home dresses? And do they watch TV? And also, do they pick their noses as you and me likes to do? In the third paragraph, he wants to know among whom the teacher lives. Who are the people with whom the teacher lives? Does the teacher have their mom and dad? So he wants to know about this, and also he wants to know that was my teacher also a child in his or her past, and he was also bad or he was also naughty child. Then he says that was there a time when my teacher used to make mistakes or used to spell something wrong? Was there a time like that? Or he has done a mischievous thing and he has been punished in the corner? Then he wants to inquire, was there a time that he had lost the hymn book, lost his or her book, or he has left the vegetables, doesn't want to eat, or he has scribbled on the desktop or wear a dirty jeans. Next he said that he'll follow a teacher to know all these questions he has asked in the first 5 paragraphs, that what does a teacher do? All these questions he wants to find this answer. So he says that I'll go and follow a teacher and I'll find out what does he do, what is her lifestyle, what is his lifestyle, and I'll note it down in a poem so that they can read it to you. So I hope you enjoyed this poem. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye bye.